Welcome to this episode, where we journey through the fascinating yet controversial world of AI. Here's a surprising twist. An AI assistant invents a policy, triggering a user uproar. Is this the future of support systems gone rogue? In today's deep dive, we'll unravel what happened when a popular AI-powered code editor's assistant seemingly went off the rails. A company had to apologize after the AI, named Sam, concocted a non-existent policy, causing confusion and cancellations. Stick around to learn how this could shape the future of AI. So, how did it all start? Picture this. A developer working with Cursor, a well-loved AI code editor, experiences unexpected logouts across different machines. An email to support receives a swift reply, claiming a new policy restricts usage to one device per subscription. But here's the kicker. This policy didn't exist. This is another entry in the AI hallucinations logbook, where AI creates believable yet false information. These confabulations can lead to real-world impacts, and in this case, they did. Cancellations and uproar ensued. Could it be a glimpse into AI's blind spots? After the storm hit Reddit, Cursor's response was swift. They made it clear, Sam, the support AI, gave a wrong message. Transparency came too. AI responses would now be labeled clearly. But it leaves us pondering, is AI in customer service too risky? This incident shows the growing pains of AI's development. As more companies bring AI into customer roles, are they providing enough oversight? Could this incident have long-lasting impacts on AI integration strategies? Wrangling AI hallucinations isn't just a technical challenge, it's a trust issue. As users, we place faith in these systems for reliable info. But what happens when they make stuff up? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, technology continues to evolve rapidly, and so must our checks and balances. Perhaps this is a wake-up call to fine-tune AI deployment strategies. What do you think? Will AI redefine customer service? Or is this a cautionary tale? Let us know and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.